This is going to be a very, very, very short video, one of the shortest videos I've ever done, so make sure you do that thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment if you want to support me. Ask for my PayPal info, and if you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info, and if you want to click on the affiliate links in the video description, that will help me out. So here we go. You get in your car and you try to use the OK Google thing, and it works, and we're going to do that right now. OK Google, what time is it?
It's 11:49 a.m.
Now, a lot of people are having the same problem that I was having, and I'm going to show you how to get around it. You start the car and you try OK Google, and you no longer get audio. With me, I'm not able to get audio through the vehicle. I don't know if this vehicle is even capable of that. My car will not use Google for Android or Android for Google, so I can't use that. But when I get in the car and I try to do the OK Google so I can use my map, it will not work, and I'm going to show you how that is right now. I'm not going to be able to play all of this because I don't want the radio to be on the video, because then I can't monetize it, but here we go. So the car is running right now. You can hear the air on, and I'm going to try this again, and it's probably not going to work, but we'll see what happens. OK Google, what time is it? And we get the time, but we don't get the audio. I don't understand the whole thing. I just know that the vehicle system is tagging the Bluetooth for the car instead of the cell phone, and so I'm going to show you how to get around that. On this vehicle, I'll go over here and I'll click audio. I'll click apps, not audio. I'll click apps, and then I'm going to go click on, okay, with this vehicle, I'm going to go click on apps, and then I'm going to click on setup, and then I'm going to click on Bluetooth, and that is the name of my cell phone. It is an S10, and I gave it that name. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on, I believe that is cell phone, or that's also audio player. I'm just going to click on the phone, and we have disconnect as a phone, and we have disconnect as an audio player. So I'm going to click on that, and now we see the audio player is disconnected, connect as an audio player. So I'm just going to go straight over to the phone. Not going to trick you or anything. I'm just going to come over here, and I'm going to say, OK Google, what time is it?
It's 11:53 a.m.
OK Google, are you my wife?
I think of myself as more of a friend.
Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're going to go back up over here, and we are going to connect as an audio player, Bluetooth connected, and we're going to go back down over here. OK Google, are you my wife? And we get the message. So that's what's going on. OK Google, what time is it? So with my situation with this, that's a Toyota, and it's one of the Toyotas that will not accept the Android for Google, but when you go over and you click on the app, and you click on setup, and you click on Bluetooth, and you click on your cell phone, I could probably click on this. No, I guess I can't. That shows they're both on there. And disconnect. OK Google, what time is it?
It's 11:54 a.m.
And it's that quick, and I'm going to click on this again. Oh my goodness, what did I just do? Connected. Audio player connected. OK Google, what time is it? And we get nothing. I hope this video is going to help people. It took me forever to figure this thing out. If anybody has any idea how to get OK Google, an Android phone, to talk through a Prius or a Toyota or any other Bluetooth system, let me know. That would be nice to see in the comments, and I hope this helps everybody. See ya. Off for a drive. One thing you need to know is that you cannot change this once you are driving, and every time you get into the vehicle, you're going to have to redo this. So let's go over to Bluetooth, disconnect, And it's showing that I can go right now. That's not right. Once I'm driving, we'll go figure that out. When I was driving, it would not allow me to make the change. So when you're driving, you cannot make this change. You won't get this screen. Why it's doing this right now, I don't know. But every time you get in the car, you're going to have to reset it. There it is. We're driving, and it will not allow me to make the changes now. It took a little bit for me to get on the road, and after about 20 seconds, it locks out. Hey, people, one more update. You can switch it. What happens is when you're driving, you cannot switch it. When you come to a stop and you have your foot on the brake, it kicks over, you can disconnect, and then the minute you start going again, you cannot disconnect. So it does work. And I think this video is going to help the whole world, so make sure you donate $1 million to my PayPal. Thank you.